Hello, and welcome to another update video on Dogecoin. So Doge continues to be in this channel. We don't have much more room to the downside. There are two more levels here that I am watching. First of all, the 78.6 retracement at $20, yeah, would be nice, 20 cents. 20 cents. So this is a level that, well, it's the 78.6 retrace level. It's the level that must hold. It's yeah, I mean, we can get a break below, but shouldn't really get a decisive break, because then it becomes more probable that we will get invalidation. And this is the second level I talked about. That's the formal invalidation point for this structure that I'm tracking, this upside structure. Yeah, the invalidation point is at 18.8 cents. It's the red line. It is the swing low that formed here in August. And I know the market is getting frustrating. Yep, I hear you. I can't change it. It's what the market does, especially in September's. Yeah. In September. In a September, we often see sideways action or even slight downside. And yeah, we're just waiting here for Bitcoin to make a move, which could then also again spark some interest in the altcoin sector. But I mean, looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's still fairly weak, the altcoin sector, and then especially with Ethereum dominance still going up, the Bitcoin dominance, it doesn't, the altcoins haven't taken over, basically, right? So, but if they do, they should do it from here. I still overall see more bullish structures than bearish structures, at least in the coins I'm tracking. I'm not talking about the broad sector, because I'm sure most charts are bearish, but from the altcoins I'm tracking, I still see some bullish setups here. Also here we're holding currently Fibonacci support, but the momentum is missing. That would indicate the next move up has started. So I'm watching for it, right? If we start to see some upside momentum from here, it would likely be a C wave that could take us to 27 cents. First indication we're breaking out would be a move above the upper boundary line here. And then this would shift the focus to the next swing high around 24.3 cents, and then here 25.6 cents. These would be the next key resistance levels to watch. Those need to be broken on the way to 27.7 cents. Break below 20 cents, first indication that things are changing. From an alternative point of view, it might indicate that this wave 2 is still unfolding, but how exactly is unclear. It could even be that this B wave is still unfolding and we're forming a very, very complex correction, like A wave down. Yeah, the B wave itself would be an A, B, C structure, then down, then up. See, it can take a lot of different pathways. So it's not important to know the exact pathway. It's more important to understand where do the bulls need to turn up to keep that yellow scenario alive. And that is ideally above 20 cents, because below that level, structure starts to shift and probabilities start to shift. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us here on X for additional updates, chart updates. You can also ask questions. I'll be there today. If you have any questions, feel free to post them there. There are additional updates sometimes in addition to the ones on YouTube. So feel free to join here. And see over there. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.